Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to beautiful sunny Ireland. Mike here in Arkilkenny Homestead. Today we're going to count down the 5 things you need to do to protect yourself from what's going on in the world right now. So let's get straight into it at number 5. So straight in at number 5, grow your own food. I can't emphasize this enough. This is probably the easiest step in the whole process. Growing your own food enables you to provide that little bit of security no matter what goes on logistically or in the supermarkets. Not only that, growing your own food means that what you're eating is free from chemicals, any toxins, any sprays, and keeps you and your family healthier. And it is so easy. Reach into the ground, pull out some spuds. Simple as that. It doesn't get any simpler. Now on to number 4. So step number 4, start keeping your own animals. This is the second easiest step in the whole process. Chickens are a great gateway animal to start with. They require very little maintenance, feed is cheap, all you got to do is protect them from predators and let them free range, and they'll take care of themselves and provide you with fresh healthy eggs all day long. As well as providing fresh manure and good compost materials for your compost heap so you can produce more soil year after year after year. Step number 3, start getting the equipment you need to supply your own electricity. Supplying your own energy gives you a lot of freedom, but it doesn't happen overnight. It takes a while to get all the bits together to build a system that will actually get you off the grid. Initially, it'll save you some money on your bills, but ultimately, it'll give you total freedom so that no matter what power cuts there are, you and your family will still be doing just fine. Step number 2, source your own drinking water. The mains water system has been toxified with all sorts of chemicals, and fluoride in particular, for many years now, and the damage that's done to people is as yet unknown. Sourcing your own water through rainwater collection or a well, like we have here, is the best way to keep your family healthy, and no matter what happens to the mains, you're isolated from it and have fresh, clean water all day long. So that's the first 4 of our 5 steps. Grow your own food, keep your own animals, supply your own power, and supply your own water. The last one, and this is the toughest one, get the hell out of the cities. Living in a city makes you an easy target, it's as simple as that. I know it's easier said than done, but at the end of the day, if things ever went bad, the cities are where things are going to be the worst. You've got the highest demand on supermarkets, you've got the highest demand for food and resources because the population density is so high. And not only that, if things went bad and we went full communist and you wanted to get out of the cities, they could have checkpoints on the road, you'll never get out. Also important to remember, there are tens of thousands of people all around the world right now doing these exact 5 steps. The reasons they're doing them are the same as yours and mine. An important consideration to make is that nobody's coming to help you, nobody is going to do it for you, and no community that is either off-grid or on land or whatever is going to want to take on somebody who can't take care of themselves. Very important to remember. So that's the final one. Get the hell out of the cities. You're tight for space, everything is an issue, and life in general is more expensive in the cities. Anyone who comes out and tries country life, within about 6 months they'll be asking themselves why they didn't do it sooner. So hey, that's our top 5. Keep it nice and short and sweet. Hope that helps somebody out there. So the best thing is, get off the internet and make one of those steps, at least one of those steps, happen today. You all take care out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.